Stock prices are, in theory, tied to how a company's doing. You make more money, your stock goes up. You lose money, it goes down. So why is Carvana, a company with negative earnings per share, seeing its stock price rise? Well, I can explain it, but to do so, I'm gonna have to put on my business coat. There are two schools of thought as to why Carvana's stock price is doing what it's doing. The first is pretty normal. The company said that they've cut costs recently and that their earnings for the second quarter of 2023 are going to be higher than expected. That, combined with a general upward tick in the markets based on news that the Fed would not be raising interest rates again, kind of has things looking good. Why not make those candlesticks green? But there's a second theory, a more conspiratorial one, as for why Carvana is trending upward. You remember when Gamestop happened as a stock thing? When everyone hopped onto their trading platforms and went, ooh, this is really expensive, I can make some money on this, and then no one did except for 4 people on Reddit? A lot of people think that same thing is happening with Carvana. Carvana has what's called high short interest. A lot of its shares are actually out on loan. Someone will borrow a share, sell at a high price, then when their loan comes due, buy a share back at a lower price if a stock is trending downward, and use it to pay off the loan. They keep the difference between the high price they sold for and the low price they bought in at as profit. Those shorted shares will have a loan come due eventually. Carvana's short interest is high enough that there is a definite market there. A number of people will have to own Carvana stock regardless of the price. And wouldn't it be nice to be the person selling it? There are people who think that a short squeeze like that is coming for Carvana. It seems like the jump isn't high enough to really be the full short squeeze we're used to seeing. I think it's just the underlying financials and general economic tailwinds. For more on this and everything else with a coat that's too big for me, keep your eyes peeled at jalopnik.com.